Jungle jingles. Roar and score. I may be king of the jungle, but I don't live there. Who am I? 1. A tiger. 2. A lion. 3. A bear. A lion.
Ocean Odyssey Deep Sea Riddle. I'm known for my ink and many arms. Who am I? 1. A dolphin. 2. A shark. 3. An octopus. An octopus.
Savannah Safari. Prowl the puzzles. I have a mane, but I'm not a king. Who am I? 1. A lioness. 2. A horse. 3. A zebra. A horse. Forest fables. Woodland. Whisper. I hoot at night and can turn my head all the way around. Who am I? 1. An owl. 2. A bat. 3. A wolf. An owl. Arctic Antics Chili Challenge. I'm not a bear, but I wear a tuxedo everywhere. Who am I? 1. A seal. 2. A penguin. 3. A dolphin. A penguin.